Hey there, car enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the future of electric driving. What if I told you that the iconic VW bus has been transformed into a high-tech electric marvel? Stick around to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the VW ID. Buzz that you definitely didn't know. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more exclusive automotive secrets and futuristic rides like this one. Now, let's get started. Fact 1. A modern twist on the classic Bully. The ID. Buzz isn't just a modern van, it's the high-tech evolution of the legendary VW bus, also known as the Bully. Volkswagen first explored an electric microbus concept back in 2001 with the microbus prototype. Then came the Bully concept in 2011 and the Buddy in 2016. Each version refined the vision, until the ID. Buzz finally became reality, combining retro design with cutting-edge EV technology. And here's a cool detail. Just like the original air-cooled bus had its engine in the back, the ID. Buzz keeps that iconic layout alive, only now with instant torque and zero emissions. Fact 2. Self-driving future of the ID. Buzz. By 2026, the ID. Buzz will drive itself. Volkswagen is developing an autonomous version, designed for ride-sharing and robo-taxis. Imagine hopping in and the van just takes you where you need to go. No driver, no steering wheel, just pure tech magic. Fact 3. Volkswagen loves Easter eggs. Inside the ID. Buzz, you'll find tiny hidden surprises, like embossed microbus silhouettes and smiley faces. Even the USB ports, they glow in the dark to guide you at night. Fact 4. Rapid charging technology. Need a quick recharge? The ID. Buzz can go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's faster than your coffee break. It's all thanks to DC fast charging and a cutting-edge battery system. The battery itself is modular, allowing for different capacity versions and even future solid-state upgrades. And just like the classic VW bus had different configurations for travelers, the ID. Buzz will offer various battery sizes to match your driving needs. Fact 5. LED eyes with a personality. The headlights, they're not just lights, they communicate. The ID. Buzz has LED eyes that react to pedestrians and other cars, flashing, dimming, even looking around. It's like your van has a personality. Fact 6. Eco-friendly interior. The seats, carpets, even the dashboard, all made from recycled plastic bottles and ocean waste. This van isn't just electric, it's eco-friendly, inside and out. Fact 7. Unbelievable turning radius. For a van this size, you'd expect a wide turning circle, right? Wrong. The ID. Buzz has a crazy tight turning radius of just 11 meters. That's better than some compact cars. Parallel parking? A breeze. This is possible because of rear axle steering, which optimizes maneuverability. It makes the ID. Buzz far more agile than the original Bully, despite its larger footprint. Fact 8. Perfect for digital nomads. Imagine working from anywhere in your van. The ID. Buzz offers a fold-out table, swiveling front seats, and even wireless charging pads. It's like an office on wheels. Fact 9. Power your home with the ID. Buzz. Blackout? No problem. The ID. Buzz has bi-directional charging, meaning it can send power back to your home. Plug it in, and it can keep your lights on and fridge running. Fact 10. It looks cute and friendly, but the ID. Buzz packs a serious punch. The all-wheel drive GTX version will have over 300 horsepower and go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds. That's faster than some sports cars. And here's a fun parallel. While the original VW bus was slow, tuners loved modifying it. Now, Volkswagen is giving you a factory-built performance version right from the start. So, what blew your mind? The futuristic self-driving van? The insane performance? Or maybe those quirky hidden details? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what surprised you the most about the ID. Buzz. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Catch you in the next one.